Respected President of the University, Honorable Chairman of the Board, beloved parents, and tomorrow leaders. I would like to thank MC for his humble introduction. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate and enjoy the moments of our children, future leaders. They may be politicians, or engineers, doctors, or social workers, or whatever the profession you are planning to pursue in future or dreamed of. First, I would like to congratulate your achievement that you made so far in your life. At the same time, we cannot forget three most important people that we have dealt with so far. First one, whom you got exposed from birth, who raised, who guided every step of the way and made sure that you felt good, fed unlimited, and spent countless hours, nights and days. At the same time, they shared happy and sorrow moments with you. They are your first mentors, and at the same they are your life guide and cheerleaders. Those are your beloved parents and family members, including your father, either stepfather or stepmother, or your brothers and sisters. Make sure, take a moment to thank them for their sacrifice that they made. Personally, I would like to congratulate and thank every single parent who are here for your courage and sacrifice that you made to make your children as role model in this community. When it comes to non-formal education, parents are your first teacher. For a moment, think back your life that you had so far. You slept 8 hours approximately every day. 8 hours. You played games or did some extracurricular activities, or you hanged out with the friends or played video games. But rest of the time, you were at the school. You are interacted with your teachers. As an equivalent of your parents, there is another selfless community who helped you to rise to this level. That community is none other than your teachers. Again, take a moment. Think of the wonderful, wonderful life that you had based on the interaction that you had with your teachers. How much time they spent with you to make sure that you understand the subjects that they taught you. And make sure that all the assignments you did with all perfections. And make sure that every step of the way they dreamed for you to come to this level. Thank them. Thank them, and at the same, never ever forget them also. Let me tell you a small story. When I passed out in my school, I met all my teachers, and I personally went and thanked them for their sacrifice. And I met my science teacher, and who was very young and energetic. And I asked him, year in, year out, as a teacher, as you can see, your students are becoming a big businessman, or doctors, or engineers. Have you ever thought that you can just go back and do something, do some higher studies, go back to those type of professions to have a better living? He said, the teaching profession that I chose, it's one of the noble professions in this world. And I never ever regret on my decision. And at the same time, I am so proud of myself that all the students that I have taught and their achievements, I am so happy for it. And I never ever feel bad for at all that whatever I am doing is the decision that I made, it was right for me, definitely. And I pursue this forever. That is the thing that he told me. And I was so stunned. And there are so many teachers around every school that they strive for best to make sure that, like, they are the coaches, to make sure that you stand and walk and succeed every step of the life. And as you remember, as your olden days are your good golden days with the experience that you had with your teacher, those are the very memorable ones I can think of. And take a moment to thank the teachers who made the difference in your life so far. Last but not least, it is the time to think about the rest of the world. Think of your family. There are, at the given moment, somebody is thinking about you, either for your family or the roads that you are in front of your home, or for anything. The entire community is there thinking about it to improve this entire world. Like, it can be a green energy, or it can be a sustainability, or it can be how to save energy, anything for that matter. Or think, as Warren Buffett said, whoever is born in this country, in the United States, they are the most gifted kids in this world. I was reading yesterday in Bloomberg article. That is the quote he made. But unfortunately, there are needy kids, even in the United States too. They need coaching. They need tutoring. They are dream of becoming doctors, engineers. Help them. Be a mentor for them. Be a tutor for them. Help them to make sure that they achieve their dreams as you did for yourself. Do a community service to make sure that even it no need to be here. There are so many volunteer organizations. They help internationally too. Spend time. Take a moment. Think about it and spend time to volunteer. There are several organizations available, and help them. That way, the most important thing that will help you, soul fulfilling. That is the community service that make you soul fulfilling. As I summarize, at any point of time, don't forget your family, who made it sure that your dreams are fulfilled so far. And at the same time, teachers who taught you to come to this level. And the community that help you, are helping you to become a big leader in future. Thank you very much. God bless.